Hello everyone, I'm Miss Masi and I welcome you all in this video. Today in this video children, we will see a story from your Gulmohar book. Please take out the Gulmohar book and please open chapter 2, Grandpa Farooq's Garden. Children, in this story, you will see a little boy named Amir. Amir loved his Grandpa Farooq's garden very much, and the garden was Amir's favorite place. Okay, and Amir loved the fruits and the leaves, the flower and the trees, everything there in the garden. Okay, so let's read the story. Grandpa Farooq's garden was Amir's favorite place. Amir loved the fruits, the leaves, the flowers and the trees there. He also loved spending time with Grandpa. They worked together in the garden every week. When they finished, they enjoyed the fresh fruits from the garden. What happened here, children? Amir loved the fruits, the leaves, the flowers and the trees, everything there in the garden. Okay, Amir also loved spending time with Grandpa. Amir and Grandpa, they both used to work together in the garden every week, and after finishing their work, they used to enjoy the fresh fruits from the garden. So children, one day Grandpa was very quiet. He worked in the garden without saying a word. They plucked fresh fruits, but Grandpa didn't eat any. "What's wrong, Grandpa?" asked Amir. "My garden is dying, Amir," replied Grandpa. "Why do you think so?" asked Amir. "Look closely," said Grandpa. "Some pests are eating the plants." Amir looked at the leaves of the plant nearby. Half the leaves had been chewed off. Now children, what's the meaning of plucked? Plucked means picked fruits from where they were growing. Means to remove or take something from a place. So what happened here, children? One day, what happened? Grandpa looked very sad and quiet. Grandpa one day looked very sad and quiet. Grandpa worked in the garden, but he did not say a single word. Grandpa was very upset. Grandpa and Amir plucked fresh fruits, but Grandpa did not eat any fruit. So Amir asked to Grandpa, "What happened to you, Grandpa? Why you are looking so sad today? Why you are not saying anything, and why you are not eating the fresh fruits from our garden?" Then Grandpa replied, "Amir, my garden is dying." What did he reply? "My garden is dying." Now what's the meaning of "my garden is dying," children? My garden is dying meaning all the flowers and plants in the garden are dying, which means becoming smaller and weaker. Okay, so Grandpa said, "Amir, you know, my garden is dying." Again Amir has asked to Grandpa, "What you saying? So that your garden is dying?" Then Grandpa showed Amir and said, "See, Amir, some pests are eating my garden." "What's wrong?" "My garden is dying," Amir replied. Grandpa, "What do you think so?" asked Amir. "Look closely." What's the meaning of closely? The meaning of closely means carefully, with a lot of attention. "Some pests are eating the plants." What's the meaning of pests, children? The meaning of pests means insects or animals that eat plants. Pest is the kind of insects which used to eat the plants, green plants. Okay, so then Grandpa showed Amir and see, "Amir, some pests are eating the plants." Pests means, children, pests means small insects. Okay, pests means small insects that eat plants. So Grandpa showed Amir, said some pests are eating the plants. Amir looked at the leaves of the plants and he found the half pests of the leaves had been chewed off. Now what's the meaning of chewed off, children? The meaning of chewed off means bitten off parts of leaves. Chewed off means eaten by the insects. Getting my point? That is why Grandpa was very sad. Now children, turn your page. "Can't we do something to stop this?" asked Amir. "We need ladybirds," said Grandpa. What did Grandpa say, children? we need ladybirds. What's the meaning of ladybirds, children? Ladybirds means small round insects which are red or orange with black spots. This is a picture of a ladybirds. Okay. And what happened here, children? Because insects were eating the plants, he was worried. Grandpa was worried because insects were eating the plants. That will happen to the garden. Okay. So now Amir was also worried. Amir was also very worried. So Amir asked Grandpa, can't we do something to stop this? Can't we do something to stop this? Now let's read. What did Grandpa say? We need ladybirds, said Grandpa. They are very useful bugs. Now what's the meaning of bugs, children? Bugs means small insects. Okay. They can eat these pests and save my garden. But where will I find them? Grandpa replied, we need ladybirds. What are ladybirds, children? Ladybirds are insects that eat other insects. So Grandpa says we need the ladybirds because these bugs are very useful. Bugs means small insects. They are very useful insects. They can eat pests. They can eat pests and save the garden. Okay. But Grandpa was worried. Okay. Don't worry, Grandpa. I will bring a bug or two, said Amir. Amir went home and began to look for ladybirds everywhere. On the second day, he found two ladybirds while walking home from school. They were in the grass growing by the side of the road. He carefully picked them up. And brought them home. What happened there, children? Grandpa was also worried that from where will he get those ladybirds? Amir was a small boy. So he promised Grandpa, don't worry, I will bring you a bug or two. What's the meaning of bug, children? As I have told you that bugs are small insects. Okay. Amir put small leaves and twigs at the bottom of a big plastic box. Then he gently placed the ladybirds inside. He kept some food and water for them in the box. What happened here? Amir was a small boy, as you know, so he promised to Grandpa, don't worry, Grandpa, I will bring you a bug or two. A bug or two means, children, one or two insects. Okay. So Amir promised to Grandpa that he will bring the ladybirds to save the garden. So Amir went home and started looking for ladybirds everywhere. Isn't it? On the next day, when Amir was returning home from the school, he found two ladybirds. Getting my point? He found two ladybirds. When Amir went home, and so Amir promised to Grandpa that he will bring the ladybirds to save the garden. On the next day, he found, when he was returning back from the school, he found two ladybirds. Okay, children, he found two ladybirds by the side of the road in the grass. He carefully picked up the ladybirds and brought them home. He kept those ladybirds in the big plastic box. Getting my point? And then Amir put some leaves and twigs. What is twigs, children? What is twigs? Twigs are very thin branches. Okay, what is twigs? Twigs means small and thin branches of a tree. So then he gently placed the ladybirds inside. He kept some food and water for them in the box. The next day, Amir looked for the bugs around the football field. He found 3 of them sitting on one leaf. Come with me, little ladybirds. We have to help Grandpa, he said, carefully picking them up. Now what happened here, children? Twigs are very thin and small branches. Amir put some leaves and twigs at the bottom of the plastic box. Can you see the picture of the plastic box here, children? So he put the leaves and twigs at the bottom of the plastic box and he kept them very gently inside the box. He also kept some food and water inside the box for the ladybirds. Okay, the next day again Amir went to look for the ladybirds. You know, he went around the football field. Where he went around, children? He went around the football field, and there he found 3 ladybirds. How many ladybirds he found there, children? He found 3 ladybirds there at the football field. Okay, now and there he found 3 ladybirds sitting on the leaf. He picked the ladybirds very carefully and brought them home. 2 days later, what happened? Now let's go to the next page. 2 days later, Amir found 4 more at the park. After 2 days, Amir found 4 more ladybirds at the park. He picked them up and ran home. Now his box had 9 ladybirds. Now 2 days later means after 2 days, again Amir found 4 more ladybirds. Where, children? At the park. Amir picked the ladybirds and ran his home. Now Amir had total 9 ladybirds. How he had 9 ladybirds, children? Amir found 2 ladybirds by the side of the road. Around the football field on a leaf, he found 3 ladybirds, and 4 more ladybirds he found at the park. Okay, so this way he had total 9 ladybirds. The next morning, Amir went straight to Grandpa Farooq's house with a big smile on his face. He showed Grandpa the box with the ladybirds. Grandpa couldn't believe it. "You have done well. Oh my boy, you have done so well," Grandpa said with a tear in his eye. Amir and Grandpa opened the box in the garden and let the ladybirds out. The ladybirds liked their new home. They had many pests to eat there. From that day, Grandpa Farooq's garden did what gardens should do. It grew and grew and grew. What happened? When the next morning Amir went to the Grandpa's house with a big smile. Very happily he went. Who? Amir. He was very happy and he went happily. He went there. Why was very happy? Why he was very happy, children? Because Amir had fulfilled his promise. So he was very happy because he had ladybirds. Amir showed Grandpa the box where he had kept the ladybirds. After showing the box, children, with the ladybirds, Grandpa was also very happy to see the ladybirds and he couldn't believe it what Amir had brought ladybirds for Grandpa. Grandpa said, "Oh my boy, you have done so well. Oh my boy, you have done so well." So here Grandpa was appreciating to Amir. There was a tear of happiness in Grandpa's eye. Then Amir and Grandpa both opened the box. You can see he had opened, both of them, they have opened the box in the garden and they took out the ladybirds. Can you see the ladybirds? Here. So what happened there, children? And they took out the ladybirds from the box. Now all the ladybirds found their new home. You can see the new home of the ladybirds and they like their new home. Why ladybirds like their new home, children? Why the ladybirds like their new home? Because in the garden, because in the Grandpa's garden there was so many pests, insects which ladybirds can eat. Getting my point? From that day on, Grandpa's Farooq garden did what garden should do, children? It grew and grew and grew. But by this way, children, Amir and Grandpa both saved the garden. They both have saved the garden with the help of ladybirds. Okay, so children, here we have finished the story. I hope you all have enjoyed the story. I hope you all have enjoyed listening the story. Thank you, children. Thank you.